Anyway, this is very exciting because we begin with the beginning, and this is not only the beginning of this Venice Now interview project, it's the first interview we're recording, but I was also thinking, as it's the first time I interview you, it would be great to start with your own beginnings. We are here with Cristina, Díaz, Moreno, and Efrén, García, Grinda, and it would be great to hear from you how your practice started and if there was an epiphany which brought you to architecture.
Okay, well, we are Cristina and Efrén. That's starting to be our name because everyone speak about us like Cristina and Efrén. But we have an office in Madrid. We are Amid.Cero9, and well, especially we like Amid because it's a meaning which is between things, between concepts, between people, between animals, between things. So. And our office is in Madrid, but we are in between Madrid and London. We are a unit masters in diploma in Unit 5 in the Architectural Association. So we are between our office in Madrid, teaching in Madrid, and teaching also in London.
So, and we are especially interested in the relationship between contemporary culture and constructed environments, let's say, you know, trying to work with this, cultural issues within architecture.
And how did you find the name? How did the name of your office come around?
This is a really funny story.
As I said, our office is called 09, was called 09. We started in 1997, but we started to think that we were finishing our ideas or our way of thinking, so we tried to change the name and we add this Amid. And Amid is what is interesting for us. It is Amid's meaning of the word. So that's why we are trying. We have these names, but everyone calls us Cristina and Efrén. Efrén.
One thing I was also curious is how, what kind of inspired you at the beginning of your practice? Who were your influences? Who were architects? I mean, to avoid the question about heroes, Cedric Price would have said, you know, what was the oxygen?
In the very beginning we were interested in the 60s architecture. Remember that we studied in a very classical school, a polytechnical one, so we were really interested in this hidden history of the 16, let's say, of the 60s and 70s. There is these classical people that try to construct a new radicalism, trying to avoid the conservative way to approach architecture. So we were absolutely excited when we met each other. We were excited with people like Super Studio, Cedric Price, the Italian radicals, and also, of course, the people from London in the 60s. So it was our main source, but we were trying to redefine something against something that was basically our education in this classical school.